Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a bullet time splash on Higgsfield AI, and this is what it looks like. So we can see a very slow rotating image of static tomato and leaves. This is very interesting to look at. So if you want to create this kind of cinematic product spin for your video or for your promotional video, all you have to do is go to this website called Higgsfield.ai. Now this website allows you to create the best video effects on the planet. Now all you have to do is go to Higgsfield apps. Now it allows you to also create VFX effects. If you click on the visual effects section, you can also create mind-blowing images with the Higgsfield tool. But the Higgsfield apps allows you to actually create effects and mind-blowing visual effects for your promotional items. So this is mainly for people who are into drop shipping, or you want to just make ads for your products. This is the best website to use. So all you have to do to create the bullet time splash is to click on Higgsfield apps and select the bullet time splash here. You would see your page appear this way. All you have to do is to upload your image, then select your whether you want it to generate a static image or you want a video. The video costs 16 credits for generation, and this is it, guys. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this video, and I will get to you. And also, please, I would love if you subscribe to our channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much, and do